This is day 19 of dropshipping. Today I started doing research, or pretty much did that last night as well. But also throughout the day, I did a lot of research on the new product I'm going to run. Um, I did a lot of deep research. One thing I started using more and found out I can use, or I knew about it, but I just never used it, is the ChatGPT deep research, like um option they have, and it really does a good job of like doing actual research, like throughout online. And I basically just feed it all to Claude, so like in the project it has like all the information about the product and like the avatar I'm gonna run, because I did find the avatar I'm gonna run, and I hope it's a good avatar. It sounds pretty good. There is that avatar out there. There's a lot of people that, do have this problem. The desires do look good. I honestly found most of the desires based on the AI research that ChatGPT um, had done. And I also was just doing some manual research just so I can like understand my avatar a little bit better. And I did find, like, that's the thing, like manual research does help a lot, because I did find certain things that I could add to one desire, that, or I thought I was going to turn it into a desire, but I realized I could just put that into a desire I already have, as like like something that can connect to that desire, so somebody could resonate, or the avatar could resonate with the desire a little bit better, and have a better chance of like resonating with them. So it was really just that. I'm gonna do a little bit more of manual research, since it really does help, and really does feel like it increases the potential of the actual like desires. And like I said before, I'm gonna run 3 desires this time instead of 5. So the $100 daily budget can allocate to like, or it can allocate a little bit better, and doesn't have to go across like 15 different ads. Even though it'll probably still go to like a couple ads, like it does have a better chance of like I get more data, or better data. But yeah, tomorrow I'm probably just gonna finish up the research. Once I lock in the desires, because I already have the avatar, I'll probably start working on the hero page, or the hero part of the page. Pretty much fix up the offer, create an offer, because I haven't created an offer. Generate a bunch of images, good images. It looks like a good product, so I think I'll be able to really make it, or really make good images out of it. And yeah, after that, it's just creating the rest of the page, making sure it resonates with the desires, or my avatar that I'm targeting. And after that, if once I run that test, I have an idea of making like the top, instead of making the hero page on top. In a later test, if the first one doesn't end up working, or the second one doesn't end up working, I'm gonna make the page more like a listicle first when they get on it, and as they go down, it finally, or they have like CTA buttons and all that, and then it finally gets to like the offer. And I think it'll increase the chances of like conversions. But I mean, right now I'm just focused on trying to actually validate the product, make sure I can get buying intent, so like add to carts, stuff like that, so I know that like, okay, people want to buy this, or my avatar wants to buy this. And like I said before, I'm going to start doing better feedback loops, so I'm going to start tracking every single like ad that I put into the campaign, and any edits I do or whatever, so I can really track what I'm like testing, and increase the chances of just improving the quality of the ads, like I said before. But yeah, that's pretty much it for day 19. Yeah.